Avoid your Nso Chi. Shey, if I didn't go and start smoking Igbo on my birthday, my arrow wouldn't have overpowered my chi. And I started telling a matrix audience, an audience that is the matrix, hard truths. That the only reason that there is bad governance in Nigeria is because of Christians. And that as the bad governance gets, as the adjudging increases, that the people that is going to fall on their head first is still the Christians. If I didn't smoke Igbo and allow my arrow to overcome Igbo that is my Nso Chi and allow my arrow to overpower my chi, I wouldn't have lost all the connections that I lost. Everybody for don't buy my book by now. But now if I dey look now, I can't see niggas we don't follow me. No do your Nso Chi. Just give niggas the diluted, dumbed down message. And just tell them the fun stuff so that you will feel sell market seafood chop. Thanks to the people who stick out the wave of Ebeke saying the truth, of Ekwensu telling the raw facts. I can